G'day, it's frame day, the next step in our 25-week build process. We're here in South Australia, checking out some of our steel frame builds. The slab is down and it's looking great, so let's get started. Now, back in the day, frames would be constructed completely on site. However, to maximise efficiency, our frames are now manufactured off-site in a controlled warehouse. This guarantees millimetre perfect construction and also means that a frame can be constructed in just a few short hours on site.
The framing arrives as prefabricated walls that are all made in the factory. Those walls are then basically erected on site from a plan that is based on whatever our design is. From when the carpenters start the frame in the morning at, call it 6:30 a.m, they are standing the trusses and bracing it and doing all the final tie down by about 2 o'clock on the same day.
Isn't it amazing just how quickly these frames take shape? Make sure you stop in again soon for our next episode as we begin work on the roof.